So now we're looking at how to thaw frozen codes. Frozen codes don't thaw through thinking, that is for sure. You can think about it until the cows come home and you will not figure it out, because here's what works. To work with frozen codes, start by noticing what aspects about how you operate in life, what aspects are numb. What do you numb out about? Pay attention to the places where you feel shut down, um, offline, disconnected. For some people, it's in crowded places or particular groups of people where they just shut down and disconnect and even dissociate. Because the emotions that you can't access, you know, and you'll know some people just cannot tolerate anger, they just freeze out. Any topics of conversation that just make you go blank. Frozen codes just don't thaw through thinking. They thaw through safety and through presence and through the body. So thinking, our tendency here, especially in the West, because of how our education systems are, we take everything, our feelings and our body sensations, we take it all through our head and through our thoughts, and that just doesn't do it. And if you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you always got. If you want to move forward on the pattern interrupts, um, you move out of your cognitive thinking into observer mode, which is not quite the same. And this is where we sometimes need support with a therapist or a group or a practice that helps us to stay present while the ice melts. That's why I am in several groups, and I have always found groups useful. People in groups, there's triggering that happens, and instead of looking and saying, "Oh, that I feel really irritated with that person," look and examine the feeling and notice where that leads you. See it as an opportunity for exploration. And journaling is really helpful to just sit with it and don't think about it, just wonder. I wonder what that's about. Comes from a different part of your brain, wondering. And just capture it in words and express it. It's putting it out there, and expressing it is writing it down. With a therapist or a group or a daily practice. And you might be the first person in your lineage. Seriously, you just may well be the first person in your line with enough safety and awareness to finally thaw what your ancestors had to freeze. And that's not a burden, that is a gift. And it's a gift to all the future generations that come after you. So, in the next video, we're going to look at how to update active codes. So, I'll see you then. Bye for now. Bye.